All right, let's go. Activity 3, page 208. All right. Let's make sure we're talking about some things. I've got my protractor, my compass, right? Make circles. I've got something to write with. I've got some highlighters. Maybe even a straight edge would be necessary just so that you are set up for today. We're going to talk about the ability to reason abstractly and quantitatively. We're going to construct viable arguments and critique the reasoning of others. That's what we're doing on this activity today. This is also related to the third and final learning target off of page 201 for this lesson. Make conjectures about inscribed angles on a diameter and the angles formed where tangent lines cross the circle or intersect radii of the circle. So let's bring in that notation. Do you know what an inscribed angle is? I bet you don't. An inscribed angle is an angle whose vertex is on the circle and whose side contains chords. Remember, chord, K, chords of the circle. Here we have drawn angle PMD. So they said it, angle PMD. So P to M to D. That is an inscribed angle. Let's do some math with that, all right? The vertex is on the circle. The two rays of the angle intersect the circle at point P and D. That makes the arc, notice it's got the little arc over it, PD, called the intercepted arc of the angle PMD. I've got at least 3 highlighter colors. You should as well. An intercepted arc is a part of a circle that lies on the interior of an angle. The end points of the angle are where the sides of the angle intersect the circle, and the vertex of the angle is on the circle. So, inscribed angle, intercepted arc. Okay. Central angle, POD, also intercepts PD. Measure or compare the measures of POD and PMD. So here we go. PMD is only so big. Oh. I remember this one. We did this one in the last activity too. In the last activity too, flip back a couple pages, go back a couple videos. This is 45 degrees. Angle PMD measure is 45 degrees. Look back like a page or two. You'll remember if you did the notes for that, that's what it is. Now we've got angle, this arc, this intercepted arc right here. So that arc is on the central angle, POD. Central angles, you form the vertex from the center. Boom, boom, boom. Inscribed angles, you form the angle from like a corner. So angle POD is 90 degrees. Also information from like a couple of lessons or a couple of activities ago. Okay. Like 45 and 90. 45. Half of 90. 90. Double of 45. The central angle, I'm going to make a conjecture right here. Let's see if this conjecture pops up in a little bit. The central angle is twice the size of the inscribed angle. Read it, write it. That's my guess. I think I'm right. Let's pause right here, pick up on the last page, page 209. There's 2 more. Pick up page 209 in the next video.